How did Charleston, South Carolina become known as the Holy City? Hi, I'm Linda Wolfow with Exclusively Charleston Tours, and here to take you through the sanctuaries that have earned Charleston its iconic title. From St. Michael's Church, the oldest church in Charleston, dating back to 1761, to St. Matthew's Church, known for its 297-foot tall steeple, which remains the tallest in the state, to Emmanuel AME Church, the oldest African Methodist Episcopal church in the South. Charleston's churches represent a diverse history of faiths that have shaped its identity. Legend has it that in the 19th century, Charleston earned its nickname due to the sheer number of church steeples that dotted the skyline, visible from all directions as ships approached the peninsula. The name also reflects Charleston's history of religious tolerance and its abundant places of worship. Today, the city skyline is defined by hundreds of church steeples. In fact, city law restricts buildings in downtown Charleston from exceeding the height of the tallest church steeple. So, as you explore the historic churches, remember the rich history that made Charleston the Holy City.